paper. Jar A has 100 liters of mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 7:3. 20 liters of this mixture is taken out and 9 liters of water is added. What is the final quantity of the water in the mixture? So total 100 liters are available. Out of 100 liters, 20 liters are taken away. Then remaining are 80. So that is ratio 7:3. 7:3 is 10 parts now. 10 parts is 80. 3 parts is 7 parts is 56. Now 9 liters of water is added. 9 liters of water is added. Then final quantity of water is what? Your answer is 33. They are asking what is the final quantity of the water in the mixture. Next question. Are you ready? Next question. Logan spent 25% of his monthly salary on paying rent, 12% buying groceries out of the remaining. So he invested 50% in mutual funds. He is still left with 22,050 rupees. What was the monthly salary? I don't know monthly salary. I assume as 100. So together is how much spent? 37%. 37% of 100. 37. Remaining will be what? 63. Out of 63, 50% in mutual funds. 50% is about half na. Remaining is, according to our problem, that is 22,050. 3 is there, 22 is there. Exactly how many times it goes? 700 times. 700 times of 100, 70,000. Your answer is 70,000. Here 3 is there, 22 is there. In 3 table, 22 goes 7 times. Exactly 700 times. Are you clear? మీరు కాల్ చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్. 2 zeros ఎందుకు పెట్టారంటే హియర్ 1 0 is there, 1 0, here 1 decimal is there, 1 more 0 extra. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? A number x is equal to 8 times the second number y. If 1/9 of x is 9 more than y, what is the value of x? See here, x is equal to, a number x is equal to 8 times of the second number y. Therefore x by y is equal to 8 by 1 na. They are asking value of x na. Value of x should be 8 multiple na. So see the answers 8 multiple, which option is there? 8 multiple, only one option, that is 120. So no need to take the original value. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. The difference between the length and breadth of the rectangle plot is 6. The perimeter is 96. What is the area? Perimeter is nothing but 2 times of L plus B na. 2 times of L plus B is 96. L plus B is 48. Difference is what? Difference is 6. Therefore L is equal to how much? B is equal to how much? L is equal to 23. B is equal to, no, 48. 54 not 27. L is 27. B is what? 21. So we need area na. Area is nothing but what? L into B, and our answer is end with 7 na. How many options are there? But no problem. 27, 20 times 540 only na. Our answer is in terms of 500. 27, 20 times 540, 27 1s are 27, 27 plus 540, 567. Are you clear, Nana? Nana, BB get cancelled, Nana. 2 times of L is equal to 54, L is equal to 27. Are you clear? Mala circle cheyakudu. Next question, Nana. A shopkeeper sold an article at 345 and thereby incurred a loss of 25%. Had he sold the article at 20% profit, what would be the selling price of the article? Now, initially, loss of 25% na. Loss of 25% is nothing but you are selling at 75% na. 75% value is nothing but how much? Now they are asking what is the selling price whenever you are selling at 20% profit. 20% profit is nothing but 120%. Are you clear? Now look at here, all of you. So 15 5s are, 15 8s are, 5 6s are, 5 9s are, 869 times. Answer is end with 2 na. But 860 times 480, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 480, 552. Your answer is 552. 860 times 480, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 480, 552. Are you clear, Nana? The circumference of two circles C1 and C2 is 66 centimeters, 176 centimeters respectively. What is the radius of the third circle whose circumference is equal to whose circumference? whose circumference is nothing but 2 pi r3 will be equivalent to the difference between the circumference of 1 and 2. The difference of circumference of 1 and 2 is how much, Anna? 110, na? Are you clear, Anna? So then they're asking what is the radius of the third circle. R3 we need to find out, na? So 2 pi is nothing but what, na? 2 pi is nothing but what? 44 by 7, na? So R3 is equal to how much? 110. Now look at it here, all of you. 11 ones are 11, 4s are. R3 is equal to 70 by 4, na? 70 by 70 half, 35. 35 half, 17.5. Your answer is 17.5. So radius of the third circle is 17.5. Are you clear? The average weight of 48 children in a group is 51 kg. 8 children average weight 53 kg left the group. What was the new average weight of the group? See here, 8 children are left now. Each person who are left, each person weight is 2 kg more than original average, na? Each person who are left that class, each person is 2 kg more than the existing class, na? 8 into 2, 8 into, and how much extra are so left from the group? 16 kgs, na? That 16 kgs, that effect for how many students? 40 children. Remaining 40 children. So 8 children వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు నాన్న. ఆ వెళ్ళిపోవడం వల్ల 16 kgs తగ్గుతున్నారు. ఆ 16 kg ఎఫెక్ట్ అనేది ఎవరి మీద పడుతుంది? ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ 40 స్టూడెంట్స్ మీద. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ అన్నా? అంటే 40 స్టూడెంట్స్. 8 5s are 2 by 5 అంటే 0.4. 2 by 5 అంటే ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యావరేజ్ వెయిట్ ఈజ్ డిక్రీజ్డ్ బై 0.4. So already how much is there? 51. 0.4 reduced is nothing but 50.6. Your answer is 50.6. Nana, meer chese circles naaku telusu nana. 48 into 51. We will calculate this value. It will take some time. Are you clear, nana? Next 8 students are left in the class. Remaining are 40 into 8 left, na? 8 into 53, that is equal to this much. Remaining is how much this is by 40, then you will get answer. After going home, do this one. Are you clear, nana? Ee circuit cheyagudu. Are you clear, nana? Next one. In a village, 62% of the total population are male. Okay. 100 are there. 62 are male. 38 are female. 40% of the male population, 20% of the female population are graduates. 40% of the male population. So 40% is nothing but 10% is 6.2 na. 40% is nothing but 4 into 6.2. 4 into 6.2 is nothing but 24 point. Female 20% is na. 10% 3.8 na. 20% is together na. So your answer is 32 point something. 32.4. They're asking together graduates. Males plus females. Are you ready? Shall I go for the next question? The simple interest on 1300 for 2 years is 286. What is the simple interest on 2400 for 4 years at the same rate of interest? Now 2 years is 286. 1 year it is 143 na. Ever matatla? 2 years is 286. Every year interest is same. 1 year is 143 na. That 143 is interest on 1300 na. In 1300 143 is 11% na. Ever matatla? 13 11 that's 143 only. Rate of interest is 11% na. Rate of interest is 11% na. So now we need simple interest for 4 years na. 4 years na. 4 years 44% na. 1% is 24 na. 44% na. 44 into 24 na. Answer is end with 6 na. Answer is end with 2. Answer is end with 6. How many options are there? That is your answer. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? A can complete a piece of work in 32 days. B can complete the same piece of work in X days. If A and B together, they can complete the same piece of work in 17 7 by 9 days. What is the value of X? A alone how many days, Nana? 32 days. B alone X days. but A, B together 17 7 by 9 na 79s are 153. 153 plus 7 160. 160 by 9 days na. Are you clear na? LCM is how much na? LCM 160 na. 32 how many times? 9 160 160 get cancel na. That is 9 na. A's efficiency is 5. A plus B together efficiency is 9. Then B's efficiency is, so with alpha 4 units daily, total 160 units na. Daily 4 units na. It will take how many days? It will take how many days? 40 days. Are you clear or not? Shall I go for the next question? A given sum amounts to 2,448 in 2 years when invested in scheme offering compound interest at the rate of 20% per annum. What is the value of P? Now, if you observe carefully here, a given sum amounts to 2,448 in 2 years. Offering which interest, Nana? Compound interest. What is the value of P? Nana, 20% interest is nothing but 2 years interest is 44 na. So amounts to annadu. Ante principal is 100, interest is 44. Amount is 144 parts is nothing but 2,448 na. Then we need what? 100% is what na? Principal na. Here 4 is there na. Here 8 is there na. 4 how many? Nana, 144 ones are only na it goes. Next to 4 is there, 8 is there. How many times it goes? 17 times. 17 times of 100, 1700. Less than 20 times. No, less than 20 times end with 7. Next one. A boat covers 70 kilometers downstream in 2 hours 30 minutes. No, 70. Downstream. Downstream is nothing but B plus C na. 70 kilometers na. 2.5 hours na. 2.5 how many times na? 28 times na. 2.5 28 times 70 only na. 10 ki ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? ఏంటివి? 2.5 4 ఉంటాయి. 10 లో 4 ఉంటాయి. 70 లో 28 ఉంటాయి. ఆలోచిస్తున్నాను మళ్ళా. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? So B plus C is 28. If the speed of the current is 1/6 of the speed of the boat in still water. Now speed of the current is 1/6 of the speed of the boat in the still water. If speed of the boat is 6 parts, speed of the current is 1 part na. Then B plus C is how many parts? 7 parts we got 28 na. Each part is 4 na. They're asking speed of the current na. Speed of the current is what? Speed of the current is, your answer is 4. Speed of the current is 1/6 of the speed of the boat. If speed of the boat is 6, speed of the current is 1. Are you clear, Nana? So together is 7. Shall I go for the next question? 30% of a number is equal to 80% of 60% of 90. What is the value of n? Now 30% of a number. 30% is nothing but 3 by 10 na. 3 by 10th of a number is equal to 80% is nothing but 4 by 5 na. 60% is nothing but 3 by 5 na. 90 na. Are you clear na? So now we need to find out n value na. Now see here. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 3 get cancel. 5 ones are, 5 18 times. 18 4s are 72, 72 2s are 144. Your answer is 144. Are you clear, Nana? So if you know fraction table, that is very easy for you. Don't write 80 by 100, 60 by 100, 0 0 get cancelled. Don't do that type of circles. Okay, Nana? 80 anangana 4 by 5, 60 anangana 3 by 5, 30 3 by 10. Are you clear or not? So we need that fraction table. Next to A is 5 years younger than 5 years hence na. B's age would be 1/6 times age of A's age. Nana, just observe here. 5 years hence B's age would be 1/6. 1/6 is nothing but 7/6. A is 6 parts, B is 7 parts. This is A, this is B. Nana, difference, A is 5 years younger than B na. At any point of time, the age gap is same na. And one part will be how much na? One part will be what? They're asking present age of A na. Present age of A is what? 6 parts. 6 parts is what? But 30 years is not even answer. This is 5 years hands na. So you have to subtract 5. 5 years hands it is 30 years. But we need present. Present it is 25. Are you clear nana? It takes 1 hour 30 minutes to travel 105 kilometers. How much time would it take to travel 120% of the distance in the same speed? Nana, speed is same na? Ever matter? Speed is same na? Whenever speed is same, speed is constant. Distance and times are directly proportional na? Are you clear nana? Now look at here all of you. Distance, original distance is 100%, just I assume. New distance is 120%. And the original distance is 5 parts, new distance is 6 parts. Are you clear? Sir, no need to take 105 kilometers. Are you clear nana? In order to travel 5 parts distance, it will take 180 minutes, sorry, 90 minutes na? 1 hour 30 minutes is nothing but 90 minutes na. 5 parts is 90 minutes, 6 parts is 108 minutes. Your answer is 108 minutes. No need to take 105 kilometers. Original distance is 100. New distance is 120. Here speed is constant. Whenever speed is constant, distance and times are directly proportional to each other. Are you clear or not? Next they given tabular DI. Monday to Friday they given number of visitors visiting the parks during the second week of the September. What was the respective ratio between the total number of people who visited park BD together on Monday? So on Tuesday, BD together on Monday, and BD together on Monday, 54-42. How much ana? 96. And those Tuesday, ana, how much? 58-44. 1 or 2? 16 6 or 16 7 na? Ever matatla? There is 16 times. 6 17 times. Difference is 6 nana. Difference is 6. Therefore it goes 6 table. 6 16 times. 6 17 times. Are you clear? Next one. The number of people who visited Park C on Thursday. Park C on Thursday. 40 was approximately what percent less than the who visited same park on Tuesday? Same park on Tuesday. 80. Compared with 80 na? How much less? How much less? 31 less. Approximately how much percent na? 8 4s are 32 na? And approximately 40% na? But our answer should be less than 40. No, 40% is 32. But we need 31. Our answer is less than 40. It's very closer to 40. Are you clear? Next one. Out of the total number of people who visited Park D on Friday, 56. The respective ratio of the male and female is 5:2. 7 parts na? 7 parts is 56 na? Each part is 8 na? Females are 2 parts na? So 2 into 8. Your answer is 16. What was the average number of people who visiting Park BCD on Wednesday? BCD on Wednesday. Yes na? 60 50 46 na? End with 6 na? By 3 na? End with 2. End with 2, how many options are there? Only 1. No need to take all values nana. Shall I go for the next one? What was the difference between the total number of people who visited Park A and C together on Monday? A and C. A and C on Monday. 112 na? 112. And those who visited same park on Thursday. 50 49 99 na? Difference will be difference. Your answer is 13. Next 15 4s are 60. 16 times 960. If you subtract 960, 140. 110 by 104. 104 kaadu 1.4 by into 7 na? 7 how many times? 0.2 times. 255 times na? but decimal is there na, so your answer is 550. Are you clear? If 2 is there, 55. Here 0.2 is there, 550. 7 na, 7 4s are, subtract 28 from 30, so 6 into 2, your answer is 12. Are you clear nana? Next, that 0.5 nana, 60% is 3/5 of x na, that 0.5 na, 0.5 comes to this side, and 276 half is how much na? 276 half, 130, 138, 3 how many times na? 3 4s are, 3 6 are, x is equal to 5 into 46, 230, your answer is 230. 60% is 3/5, 0.5 is nothing but 1/2, 276 into 1/2, half of 276, 138. Are you clear? Next one. Now check it here. 219 na, ఎవరు మాట్లాడదన్నా, సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఎంత ఉంటుంది 315 లో నుంచి? ఒక 200 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 115 కదా, రిమైనింగ్ 19 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 19 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తానన్నా, 96, 8 టేబుల్లో 21 టైమ్స్ కదా 168, 8 టేబుల్లో 96 12 టైమ్స్ కదా, సో టుగెదర్ ఈజ్ 33. నానా నేను 219ని 315లోంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశా, 96 వచ్చింది, నేను ఎడిషన్ చేయలేదు, డైరెక్ట్ 8 టేబుల్లోనే 8 21 టైమ్స్ 8 12 టైమ్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేశా. నువ్వు మళ్ళీ 168 ప్లస్ 96 ఇది హౌ మచ్, మళ్ళీ వచ్చిన దాని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ దాన్ని మళ్ళీ 8తో చేస్తావు, గదే వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్ చివరికి. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అది కనిపిస్తుంది మనకు 168 అని 8 టేబుల్లో పోతుందని, 96 కూడా పోతుంది, తర్వాత యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. నెక్స్ట్ అన్నా రెడీ కదా, 96ని కట్ చేయండి అన్న, 1180లో నుంచి 220నా 960 కదా, ఒక 40 యాడ్ చేయండి అంతే 180కి, 220నా నా 1180కి 960కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఇది హౌ మచ్? 240యా 220 ఏనా? 220 ప్లస్ 6420 హౌ మచ్ అన్నా? 66, యువర్ ఆన్సర్ 6640. నా 1180లో నుంచి 960ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయమంటే మీరేం చేస్తున్నారో తెలుసా? సర్కట్ చేస్తున్నాను. నేనేం చేశానంటే ఇది 1000కి 40 లెస్, ఇది 1000కి 180 ఎక్స్ట్రా, 180 ప్లస్ 40 220. మీరేం చేస్తారు? పైన కిందే సర్కట్ చేస్తారు, అలా చేయకూడదు, చెప్పాలి మీరు. 26నా మైనస్ ఎక్స్నా 13నా, రిమైనర్ విల్ బి నెక్స్ట్ 2/5 ఇంటూ 15/16 ఇంటూ x is equal to 93. 2 8s are na, 5 3s are na, 3 31 times na, 31 8s are 248. Your answer is 248. Now 5 1/6 we can write as 31/6 na, plus 3 1/2 we can write as 37/12 na. Are you clear? Into 20. So now tell me here LCM is 12 na, 6 2s are na, 62. So next 30 into 4 5s are 4 3s are. This is how much na? 90. So 333 times na, 33 into 5, 33 into 5 165. Are you clear? Next 1145 minus 520. Nana, if you subtract 520, 1145 subtract 500, 645 na, remainder will be 625. 625 into 4 2500. 625 2s are 1250, 1250 2s are 2500. Are you clear nana? Nana నేను మీరు ఎలా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారో చూడండి, నేను ఎలా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారో చూడండి. నేను 1100 నుంచి 500 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశా 600, 45 నుంచి 20 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశా 25, 625. ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్? హండ్రెడ్స్ కట్ చేస్తాను, థౌజండ్స్ కట్ చేస్తాను, నెంబర్స్ కట్ చేస్తాను. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? షల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? 13 na, 22 na, 45 na, minus x. Together is 35 na. If you subtract 35 from 45, 40% of 40, 18. If you subtract 18 from 30, your answer is 12. Are you clear? Next, 152.8. 0.80, 0.16. Our answer is end with 0.96 na, but all options are end with 0.96 only na. So that is the reason we don't worry. 400 undi kada ikkada. Forget about decimals. Decimals are automatically 0.96 only. Are you clear na? Here how much is there na? 380, and 400 is how much more than 180? 389? 11. 11 na. Add that 11 to 152. Sorry, subtract that 11 from 152. How much na? 140. Your answer is 141. Nana, 152, 400 యువతలకు వస్తే -400 కదా. 400 లోంచి 389 తీసేస్తే -11 కదా. ఏంటో మీరు, అవునా కదా? క్లియర్ నా? 141. డెసిమల్స్ తో చూడకూడదు, వేటికి వైట్ సపరేట్గా చేయాలి. ఆర్ యు రెడీ? నానా చూడండి నాన్న, 0. Forget about decimals na. First 5 into 12 is 60 na. 5 into 12 is 60 na, but 3 decimals are there na. Therefore 0.06. 0.06 plus 1.74. Nana, 0.06 plus 1.74 is nothing but 1.8 na. 1.8 na by 6. Your answer is 0.3. Are you clear or not? నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా చూస్తే డైరెక్ట్గా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేస్తా మీరు ఓకే అంటే. రెడీనా? ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదు నాన్న? వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న. 2/3 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 66 2/3 నా. ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదు నాన్న? 2/3 ఈజ్ 66 2/3 నా. 1/6 ఈజ్ 16.66 నా. 66 2/3 16.66. Together is 83.33 na, and the remainder will be 16.66. 16.66 is nothing but 1/6 na, and our answer is end with 1/6. End with how many options are there? Okay, no problem. Now 4, 8, 12. 12 16 లో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 4, కానీ 4 కాదు మన ఆన్సర్ 3. ఎందుకంటే 2/3 1/6 కూడా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. సో your answer is 3 1/6. లేదంటే జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి 16 minus 4 minus 8 4 minus 2/3 plus 1/6 4 minus 5/6 that is equal 3 1/6. జాగ్రత్త చేసుకుని వస్తుంది. ఇదంతా కూడా సర్కస్, ఇది మనకు తెలిసిన సర్కస్ ఇది. (41 to 45). Are you ready? They are given case let ABCD 4 colleges are there, and junior college, graduates, postgraduates. ABCD so ABCD total and junior level, graduates, postgraduates. Are you clear nana? And they given ratio na, 3:5:2:5. 3 parts, 5 parts, 2 parts, 5 parts. So anywhere is any value is there? Yes, last D, check last D. In college D, 35% of the total number of students are graduates. 8/13 of the remaining students are junior college students, and rest are PG students, and rest are PG students. And in college D, PG students are how many? 1500 na? Are you clear na? 35% of the total students are graduates na? Ever mattadra na? 35% are graduates is nothing but remaining 65% are there na? 35% graduates is nothing but remaining 65% is there na? Out of the remaining 8 by 13th of the remaining students are junior college. And 13 parts is nothing but 65%. Yes or na? Then 8 parts is nothing but what na? 8 parts is nothing but what na? 40%. Then 8 parts are junior college. Remaining 5 parts are 8 parts are junior college. Remaining 5 parts are PG students na. Therefore 5 parts are PG students, 8 parts are junior college, and 35% is what? Graduates. Now tell me na, PG students are how many? That 1500 is nothing but 5 parts na. 5 parts is 1500. Then 8 parts is 5 3s are na. 8 3s are 2000. Therefore 2400 is what? Junior college students na. Now 35%. Na. Look at here. If you observe carefully here, all of you, 65% value is how much na? 65% value is how much? 3900 na. Together na, junior plus PG. Then 35% is what? Graduates na. 35% is graduates na. Now tell me, 5 13 times 5 7s are. So 13 any times anadi? 7 300 times 2000. Therefore graduate students are 2100. Now once you know these all values, this total value is nothing but total students in college D na. Now tell me 2400 to 2100 4500 na. 4500 plus 1500 6000. Therefore 5 parts is 6000 na. 5 parts is 6000 na. Are you clear or not? Now each part is 1200 na. Each part is. Then 3 parts is. 5 parts is. 2 parts is. Are you clear or not? Once you can get them, remaining is are very easy or not? Ekkada value undi akkadi nunchi start cheyali. Now coming to college C. 50% of the total number of students in college C. Junior college students. Now 50% is nothing but how much na? Rest is what? Rest is what? 1200 na. Out of 1200, 5 by 8 are graduates. Nana, look at here all of you. 5 by 8. 8 parts is 1200 na. Each part is 150 na. 5 parts is. Then 3 parts is 450. So 5 parts are graduates. Remaining 3 parts are postgraduates. 750 plus 450, 1200 only na. Are you clear or not? Nana, 1200 junior students pote. Remaining 1200 untaru. That 1200 is out of 1200, 5 by 8 are graduates. 5 by 8 is nothing but total it is 8 parts. 8 parts is 1200. Each part is 150. 5 parts is 750. Then 5 parts are graduates. Remaining 3 parts are postgraduates. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. College B. 2 by 5th of the total number of students are junior college students. 2 by 5th ante 40% na. 40% is nothing but what na? 2400. Next, out of the remaining are nothing but 3600 na. If you subtract 2400, remaining will be 3600 na. The respective ratio between the number of graduate and postgraduate students are 5:3. 5:3 is nothing but 8 parts na. 8 parts is 3600 na. Each part is 450 na. Are you clear or not? 5 parts is 5 into 450. 5 into 450. 2250. 3 into 450. 3 into 450. 1350. Are you clear or not? Yes. Next. College A. College A is what? 40% of the total number of students are junior college. 40% is nothing but what na? 1440 na. 10% is 360. 20% 720. 40% is 1440 na. Are you clear or not? Next, out of the remaining students, the respective ratio between the Graduates and postgraduates are 5:4. Nana, remaining students are how many? If you subtract 1440, the remaining students are ever maatladadana 2160. 2160. That 2160 is 9 parts na. 9 parts is 2160. Each part is 240 na. 924 times 216 na. Each part is 240 na. 5 parts is 1200. 4 parts is 960. 424 times 96. Nana, once you fill this diagram, Nana, questions are very easy for you. So filling this data is important, especially DI. Questions మీరు సాల్వ్ చేస్తారా? షూరా? పక్కా? So questions are very easy. Shall I go for the 46th question? A and B started a business with initial investments in the ratio 8:7. After 4 months from the start of the business, A invested 2,000 more than B invested. Sorry, A invested 2,000 more and B invested 7,000 more. At the end of 1 year, the profit would be shared according to the ratio 2:1. What was the total investment of A and B together? Now A's initial investment is how much, Anna? 18 parts, na? 18 parts, we don't know 18x, I assume as. Up to 4 months, na? After 4 months, what happened? Remaining 18x plus 2000. For how many months? 8 months. This is about A. Coming to B. 7x, na? 4 months, na? After 4 months, what happened? 7x plus 7000 into how many months, na? That is equal to ratio is what? 2:1. Now they are asking AB together initial investments. Yes or na? AB together initial investments is how much? 25x, na? Are you clear, na? Now we need to find out x. After waiting x, we need to find out 25x. Are you clear, na? Now look at here, all of you. చూస్తున్నారా? జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. సర్కస్ చేయట్లేదు. I cancelled 4 everywhere. Are you clear, Nana? Everywhere. Now 18x, 36x, 54x, 2 into 2000. Matadalana 4000. That is equal to 7x, 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 14x. Matadalana 21x. Here into 2 na 42x. Next, Anna. 7,000 into 2, 14 into 2, 28,000. Next, 42x, 54x difference. Ever matatla? 12x. 12x is equal to 24,000 na? X is equal to 2,000 na? X is equal to 2,000, then 25x is 50,000. మనం ఎక్కడెక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తేనే ఇది సంగతి. మామూలు సర్కస్ చేస్తే ఇంకా సర్కస్ అవుతాయి. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్, నానా? ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? ఈ స్టెప్ రాసుకోగలగాలి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీరు. ఓకేనా? ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? A project requires 12 women to completed it in 16 days. 12 women are there. It will take 16 days, na? Therefore, total work is what? 192, na? 12 into 16. Yes or not? 12 women started, na? But few days from the start of the project, 4 women left, na? We don't know how many days they are working. Yes or not? If the remaining project completed it in 18 days, na? None of 4 women left is nothing but remaining are 8 women, na? 8 women working for 18 days, na? That is nothing but 144, na? The rest of the work is how much, na? 48, na? The rest of the work is how much? That 48 done by 12 women, na? That 48 done by 12 women, na? How many days it will take? Starting 4 days and after then how many days? And together is 22 days. They are asking whole project was completed in how many days? Starting lo 4 days చేశారన్న. ఆ 4 women left అయిన తర్వాత 18 days చేశారు. Total it is 22. Are you clear? ఓకేనమ్మా? మీ పక్కన మీరు ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్? సో టోటల్ వర్క్ 192. టోటల్ వర్క్ ఎంత? 192. 12 ఉమెన్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, కానీ మనకి ఎన్ని డేస్ చేశారో తెలియదు, అందుకని నేను కూడా వదిలేశాను. కానీ 4 ఉమెన్ లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయారు. లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోతే ఎంతమంది ఉమెన్ ఉంటారు? ఇంకా 8 ఉమెన్ ఉంటారు. ఆ 4 ఉమెన్ లెఫ్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత 8 ఉమెన్ ఎన్ని డేస్ చేశారు? రిమైనింగ్ వర్క్ని 18 డేస్ చేశారు. 18 into 8 అంటే 144. అంటే రిమైనింగ్ వర్క్ ఎప్పుడు చేసి ఉండాలి? 48 ఎప్పుడు చేసి ఉండాలి? 12 ఉమెన్ ఉన్నప్పుడే చేసి ఉండాలి. అంటే 12 ఉమెన్ 48 చేశారంటే ఎన్ని డేస్ చేసి ఉంటారు? అంటే స్టార్టింగ్లో 12 ఉమెన్ 4 డేస్ చేశారు. ఆ 4 డేస్ తర్వాత 4 ఉమెన్ లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయారు. రిమైనింగ్ ఉమెన్ 18 డేస్ చేశారు. స్టార్టింగ్ 4 డేస్ ఒక 18 డేస్, టోటల్ 22 డేస్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? 2 equal circles are drawn in a square in such a way that the side of the square forms the diameter of each circle. Diameter of each circle. Underline that statement. అర్థం చేసుకోగలిగితేనే మీకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? Two equal circles drawn on a square. This is one square and this is another square. So diameter of each circle will be equivalent to side of a square. Are you clear నానా? అంటే ఇంకా నీట్గా గీయాలంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇది చేత్తో గీయాలంటే కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత నీట్గా గీసుకోండి. యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ రెండు కూడా కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతాయి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ క్లియర్ నానా? ఆ రిమైనింగ్ ఏరియా ఇచ్చాడు. ఆ రిమైనింగ్ ఏరియా ఎంత ఇచ్చానా? 42 స్క్వేర్ సెంటీమీటర్స్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ అన్నా? నాన్న ఇది ఒక సెమీ సర్కిల్ కదా, ఇది ఒక సెమీ సర్కిల్ కదా, రెండు సెమీ సర్కిల్ కలిపితే ఒక సర్కిల్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ అన్నా? డయామీటర్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ ఇన్ టు సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ కదా. అంటే సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ వాట్? 2r. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? నౌ నానా సర్కిల్ ఏరియా ఇస్ 5r square నా? సర్కిల్ ఏరియా ఇస్ 5r square నా? 5r square ప్లస్ 42 ప్లస్ నానా దిస్ ఈజ్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ నా? దిస్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ నా? దిస్ ఈజ్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ నా? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సెమీ సర్కిల్ నా? సెమీ సర్కిల్ ప్లస్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ సర్కిల్ నా? సర్కిల్ ఏరియా ఇస్ 5r square నా? రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ 42 నా? రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ 42 నా? This entire area will be equivalent to side of a area of a square na? Area of a square, side of a square is 2r na? Area of a square is nothing but 4r square. Are you clear or not? Now they are asking what is the diameter of the circle. Now diameter of the circle they are asking 2r. They are asking which one? 2r they are asking. Now so 2r is the only unknown variable in this equation na? Now calculate na? 5r square. 5 is nothing but 5r square. 5r square nana 22 by r square next to plus 42 plus 4r square. So 27 is the LCM na? 7 is the LCM na? అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుందనా? 22 ప్లస్ 22r స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 742 టైమ్స్ 2 294 that is equal to 4r square na? 7 into 4r square 28r square na? 22 28 6r square. 6r square is equal to 294. 6 4s are 24. 6 9s are. R square is equal to 49 na? R is equal to they are not asking R, they are asking 2r diameter. Are you understood nana? ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ కింద మీరు డ్రా చేయగలిగారంటే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చినట్టే. Shall I go for the next question? A vessel contains 100 liters of mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 22:3. Nana 22:3 kada. 40 liters of this mixture is taken out from the vessel na. The remaining is 60. The ratio is 22:3 na. 25 parts na. 25 parts is 60. That each part is 2.4 na. 25 into 2.4 is nothing but 60 only na. Then 3 parts is how much na? 7.2. Remaining will be 52.8. One it is milk, another one is water. Now what happened? 4.8 liters of pure milk is added and 4.8 liters of water is added. Now tell me, this is how much? 57.6 na. This is how much na? 12 na. Now they are asking by what percentage is the quantity of water in the final mixture? Less than that of milk. They compared with milk na. 57.6. Whenever they are asking more or less, we have to go for difference na. Difference is how much na? Difference 45.6 na. Are you clear or not? Now look at it here, all of you. Don't do circles. This is approximately 60 na. This is approximately 48 na. 6 table of 48 goes how many times? 8 times. And our answer is less than 80, very closer to 80. Less than 80, very closer to 80. Are you clear nana? మళ్ళీ మీరు చివరి వరకు చేసిన గదే వస్తుంది ఆన్సరు. ఆ అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్ అనేది రావాలి మనకు. Shall I go for the next question? Average score of a class of 80 students in an exam was 43. Average score of the students who have passed it is what? 52. Passed it is 52. Failed it is what? 16. Entire class is what? 43. Difference is what? 27. Difference is what? 9. Ratio is what? 3:1. Total 4 parts na. 4 parts is 80 students na. They are asking how many students are failed. 1 part na. 1 part is nothing but how many students? 20 students. Are you clear? Mixtures. Passed students marks are 52. Failed students average marks are 16. Entire class was 43. Shall I go for the next question? X age 3 years ago was 3 times the present age of Y. Ready na? X, Y, Z. Are you clear na? X, Y, Z. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. X age 3 years ago was 3 times the present age of Y. No, present age of Y. These two are 1:3. So say for example, present age of Y is 1 part, then X 3 years ago is 3 parts. Are you clear nana? Next, yet present Z is twice the age of Y. Twice the Y age of Y na. Y is 1 part na. Then Z is how many parts? 2 parts. Next, also Z is 12 years younger than X. Nana say for example, oh, what happened? ఎంత పోయిన ఉంటుంది. Okay, no problem. Now see here Nana, X, Y, Z 3 years ago, present. This is 3 parts. 3x అనుకుందాం. For example, 3 parts. 3p. This is. Are you clear nana? Nana present age of x is what? 3p minus 3 na. So 3p plus 3 na. Are you clear nana? Now they given z is 12 years younger than x. Therefore the difference between these two is what nana? The difference between these two is what? 12 years na. Z is 12 years younger na. And the 3p 3 parts plus 3 minus 12 is equal to 2 parts na. And 2 parts to 3 parts, difference is 1 part na. 1 part is equal to what? 9 years. 1 part is equal to They're asking what is the percentage of Z na? Z percentage is what? 2 parts. 2 parts is what? 18. Are you ready? Shall I go for the next question? The interest received on a sum of money when invested scheme A is equal to the interest received on the same sum of money invested for 2 years in scheme B. Scheme A offers simple interest, scheme B offers compound interest. Both the schemes offer the same rate of interest. So, if the numerical value of the number of years for which the sum is invested in scheme A is same as the numerical value of the rate of interest offered by the same scheme, what is the rate of interest offered by scheme A? Now look at here, Anna. Here two schemes are there. A scheme is there, B scheme is there. Scheme A is offering simple interest. Scheme B is offering compound interest. Are you clear, Nana? Next, scheme A. Scheme A interest will be equivalent to scheme A simple interest will be equivalent to scheme B compound interest. In both the schemes interest will be same. Adega cheppindi interest received from scheme A is equal to interest received from scheme B na. Are you clear, Nana? And when invested for 2 years in scheme B, so scheme B number of years are how many? 2 years. Both the schemes offer the same rate of interest. Both the schemes offer same rate of interest. Rate of interest is also same. Next one, both the same rate of interest if the numerical value of the number of years for which is the sum is invested for scheme A is number of years for scheme A is what, Anna? Numerical value of the rate of interest received by the same scheme. Same scheme is nothing but R percentage na, and number of years are also R. Numerical values are same. Say for example, this is 2 years, this is 2%. Nana, this is also 2 years na. Rate of interest is R percentage only na. So that is the reason our answer is more than 2. It's very closer to 2. Why more than 2? Generally, in which case interest is more? Compound interest. But we need to equal na. In order to equal, they are asking what is the rate of interest offered by scheme A na? Scheme A rate of interest na. Scheme B rate of interest is also same na. Are you clear or not, na? But scheme A rate of interest, scheme A time period is also same na. Therefore, in scheme B, interest will be more. How much more? 2%. Yes or no? And our answer should be more than 2. It's very closer to how much more ante nana 2% of 2 ante enta vastunna approximate ga 0.04 vastadi. 0.04 ante 1 year ki enta vastadi 0.02 vastundi. Yes or no? ante 2.0.2 anedi mana answer avutundi. Nana 2.0.2 either this one or this one na. 2 by 99 ante 2 by 100 only na approximately. 2 by 100 ante 0.02 only na. So your answer is what? Option 5. A trader sells an item to a retailer at 20% discount but charges 10% on the discounted price for delivery and packing. The retailer sells it for 2046 more thereby gaining 25% profit. So at what price did the article marked? We don't know marked price, Nana. We assume as what? 100. 20% is discount given na. 20% discount is nothing but how much, Nana? 20. Remaining will be 80. And again after giving 20% discount, they are charging 10% other charges. 8 na. That is what, Nana? 88. Ante MRP is 100. You are purchasing at 80. But they are charging 8 rupees extra and totally you paid 88 and you are selling 20% more na. Sorry, 25% na. You are getting a 25% profit na. 25% profit is nothing but 22 na. And how much you are selling more? 22 parts more. But according to our problem, how much more you are selling? 2046. How many times it goes to? They are asking what is the market price. That many times it goes. 2046 and selling price kaadu. 2046 is profit. You are selling more. Are you clear, Nana? 22 parts is 2046, then 100 parts is how much? 22 how many times, Nana? 93 times, na? Here 2 is there, here 6 is there. More than 90 times end with 3. 93 times of 100, 9300. So your answer is 9300. No 22 how many times? నువ్వు 88 కొన్నావు గాంధీ, నువ్వు 88 కొన్నావు. కొన్న తర్వాత కస్టమర్కి 25% ప్రాఫిట్కి అమ్ముతున్నావు. కస్టమర్కి 25% ప్రాఫిట్కి అమ్మావు. నువ్వు పర్చేజ్ చేసింది 88కి, కస్టమర్కి అమ్మేది 25% ప్రాఫిట్కి అమ్ముతున్నావు. అంటే 88లో 25% అంటే 22. అంటే మన అజంప్షన్ ప్రకారం 22, కానీ లెక్క ప్రకారం ఎంత? లెక్క ప్రకారం కస్టమర్కి ఎంత ఎక్స్ట్రాకి అమ్ముతున్నావు? మన అజంప్షన్ ప్రకారం 22, లెక్క ప్రకారం 2046. అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ దట్ ఈస్ 2046, బట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ అజంప్షన్ ఈస్ 22. హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్? దట్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? A man takes 2.2 times as long as to row a distance upstream as to row downstream. Nana, upstream it will take 2.2 times. Say for example, downstream time is 1 part. Upstream time is what, Nana? 2.2 times, na? Are you clear or not? Now, if he can row 55 kilometers downstream in 2.5 hours, what is the speed of the boat in still water? Nana, look at here, all of you. All of you, 55 kilometers downstream in how many hours, Nana? Downstream in how many hours? 2.5, na? 2.5 how many times? 2.5 how many times, Nana? ఇందాకే చెప్పా, 10లో 2.5 ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 4 ఉంటాయి. 10లో 50లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 50లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 2.5 20 ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? నానా 10లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 4 ఉంటాయి. 50లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 10లో 2.5 4 ఉంటాయి. 50లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అంటే చూస్తున్నారు. ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 20 ఉంటాయి. ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 5లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అంటే మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 22. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? నానా ఇదే రేషియో టైమ్స్ రేషియో కదా. టైమ్స్ రేషియో ఈజ్ 2.2:1 అంటే సింపుల్ యూ కెన్ రిటన్ యాస్ 22:10. టైమ్స్ రేషియో ఈజ్ 22:10. స్పీడ్స్ రేషియో ఈజ్ వాట్? 10:22. 10:2. Therefore 22 is nothing but 22 only, na? Then 10 parts is nothing but 10 only, na? Upstream speed is 10, downstream is 22. They are asking speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat ante b kada. B ante enti x plus 5/2, na? B is nothing but downstream plus upstream by 2, na? 22 plus 10 32. 32/2. Therefore speed of the boat in still water is 16. Are you ready? Next one, question number 56 to 60. 54 అవ్వలేదా? స్కిప్ అయిందా? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అన్న. The respective ratio between the monthly salaries of Rainy and Som is 5:3. Out of the monthly salary, Rainy gives 1/8 rent, 1/5 her mother, 30% her education, and keeps 25% aside for the miscellaneous expenditure. Remaining 5,000 she keep as a savings. What was the Somu's monthly salary? Nana 1/8 is nothing but 12.5, na? 1/5 is nothing but 20%, na? 30%, na? Next to last entra, na? 25. And together is how much? Together 25, 30, 55, 75, 87.5. 80 అంటే 87.5 అంటే రిమైనింగ్ విల్ బి 12.5. 12.5% is nothing but what? 5,000. Then 100% is what? 12.5 how many times, na? 8 times, na? 8 times of 5,000, 40,000. Therefore Rainy monthly salary is 40,000. Rainy monthly salary is what? 5:3, na? Rainy is 5 parts, Som is 3 parts. 5 parts is 40,000. 3 parts is 24,000. Are you ready? Revenue data of Max in Z during 5 months. Now if you understand one question, that is enough. Net revenue is nothing but gross revenue minus amount allocated for commission minus amount allocated for discount and offers. Now if you observe, gross revenue లో నుంచి మీరు కమిషన్ ని డిస్కౌంట్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదే నెట్ రెవెన్యూ. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? ఒకవేళ నెట్ రెవెన్యూకి డిస్కౌంట్ కమిషన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదే గ్రాస్ రెవెన్యూ. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ అన్నా? ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్ అన్నా? ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం చేసుకుంటే ఈజీ అవుతుందన్నా. అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ ఫర్ కమిషన్ ఇన్ మార్చ్ ఈజ్ వాట్ పర్సంటేజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ద అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ ఫర్ కమిషన్ ఇన్ జులై? అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ కమిషన్ మార్చ్ 31,200 నా? అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ కమిషన్ జులై 40,000 నా? దే కంపేర్డ్ విత్ 40,000 నా? హౌ మచ్ లెస్ నా? 31,200 is how much less? 8,800 less na? Are you clear? Now 4 table, how many times it goes? 4 table 22 times. Your answer is 22%. Are you clear? Next, in July, if 40% of the gross revenue of the magazine was collected from advertisements, so no, 40% of the gross revenue of the magazine was collected from what? Advertisements. What was the amount of gross revenue collected from advertisement in the particular month? Nana, gross revenue, which month we need? July. Nana, July gross revenue is nothing but total na? 3,02,000 plus 28,000, 3,30,000. So 3,30,000 plus 40,000, 3,70,000. Now gross revenue in July month is what? 3,70,000 na? So 40% of the gross revenue collected from the advertisement na? They are asking how much collecting from the advertisement. So 40% of 3,70,000. 10% is nothing but 37,000 na? 37,000. ఎవరు మాట్లాడదన్నా? 74,000 నా? 37,000, 74,000 నా? 74,000 1,48,000. So your answer is 1,48,000. Are you ready? In March, if net revenue of the magazine was 85% of its gross revenue, in March nana, March net revenue is what? 85% of its gross revenue. అంటే రిమైనింగ్ 15% ఏమై ఉండాలి? అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ ఫర్ కమిషన్ ప్లస్ అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ ఫర్ డిస్కౌంట్స్ కదా, 15% కదా. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ వాట్ వాజ్ ద అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ ఫర్ డిస్కౌంట్ అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ నా? అంటే దిస్ వన్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ నా? నానా దీస్ టుగెదర్ ఈస్ 15% నా? 15% ఆఫ్ 3,60,000 నా? 10% is 36,000 na? 5% is 18,000 na? 15% is what? 54,000. 15% is 54,000 na? That 54,000 will be equivalent to 31,200 plus discount and offers. Tell me nana, difference is how much? If you subtract 31,000 from 54,000, or if you subtract 200 from 1,000, you will get 800 na? Answer is end with 800. So 800. నన్ను 85% నెట్ పోతే మిగతా 15% కదా ఎక్స్పెండిచరు. ఆ 15% వాల్యూ 54,000. ఆ 54,000లో ఆల్రెడీ కమిషన్ 31,200 ఉంది. ద రిమైనింగ్ 22,800 విల్ బి ద సో అమౌంట్ అలొకేటెడ్ ఫర్ డిస్కౌంట్ అండ్ ఆఫర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు చేస్తారా నేను చెప్పనా? సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్సే కదన్నా, డేటా డ్రాప్ చేసుకొని చేయడమే. నెక్స్ట్ 71 చెప్పండి. నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ కాన్సోనే నానా నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ ఆన్సర్ నో రిలేషన్. మీకు చెప్పాను కూడా ఆల్రెడీ. సో బోత్ నెగిటివ్స్ ఉంటే నో రిలేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి మీరే. నో రిలేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న 3 into 40 120 నా. సో 120 we can written as what? 12 10 నా. 12/3 10/3 4, 3.33 నా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నా. నెక్స్ట్ 80 నా. 16 5 5/5 16/5 3.21. Now tell me nana, x is always greater na. X is greater, so your answer is option 5. Now tell me 12 ones are 12 na. 3/12 4/12 minus 0.25 minus 0.33. Next 2 3 na minus 2/6 minus 3/6 minus 1/3 0.33 minus 1/2 0.5. X is always greater na, but sometimes so x greater than or equal to y. Are you ready? Question number 75. 25 12s are 300. ఎవరు మాట్లాడలే. 300 అంటే ఏం రావచ్చు అన్న? 15 20 minus 15/25 minus 20/25 అంటే minus 3/5 minus 0.6 minus 4/5 minus 4.8. Now y values na 20 na 5 4 na minus 5/10 minus 4/10 minus 0.5 minus 0.4. So now tell me, x is always x less than x is less than y is greater than x. Are you ready? Next question 76 to 80 na. They given what na? Total they given del. Tell me fast value చెప్పండి. P Q R S T. Total they given. Out of total del they given na. Dell laptops they given na. Remaining it is Lenovo. Total Dell Lenovo. Tell me fast. 4500 16%. 1645 times 1640 times 640 6 5s are 50. So 16 5s are 80. 80 plus 640 720. Next na 23%. 23 45 times na. 20% is nothing but 900 na. 3% is 135. 900 plus 135 1035. 35%. 30% is what? 1350. 5% is what? 225. 225 plus 1350. How much na? 225 plus 1350 1575. 11%. 1145 times 495 na. 15%. 10% 450. 5% 225. Together is 675. Now tell me Dell 15%. 24 times 360. Therefore Lenovo is also 360. Q 25%. 1/4 600. Remainder will be 435. R 30%. 30% is 720. If you remove 720 from 1575, how much na? If you remove 700, remainder will be 800 na. 855. Next 9%. 216. If you subtract 200, remaining will be 295 na. If you subtract 16, 279. 21%. 480 504. Remainder will be 171. So if you fill this data, the questions are very easy for you. చేస్తారు కదా క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.